Frequency.
Go.
Econ.
Go.
Surgeon.
Go.
Capcom, we're go for landing.
Eagle Houston, you're go for landing, over.
Copy, Phil to go.
I got it there, go for landing, 3,000 feet. Stop alarm. 1201. 1201.
Same type, we're go. Same type, we're go. Flight.
We're go, same type, we're go.
Flight Shuttle right on, real good.
Roger.
2,000 feet, into the ag, 47 degrees. Roger.
Okay, keep me advised.
47 degrees.
How's our margin looking, Bob?
It looks okay, we're
Okay.
about 4.5.
Roger.
Eagle looking great, you're go.
2350. Filters go, 350, copy.
Altitude up in there, looks good. Roger.
Select final payback. Roger.
1,400 feet, still looking very good.
You got it. We have another 1202 alarm. Roger, don't slip.
Roger, 1202, we copy it.
How you doing, Control?
We look good here, fine.
All right, how about you, Telcom?
Go.
Guidance, you happy?
Go.
Fido.
Go. We have another 1202 alarm.
21 down, 33 degrees. 100 feet down at 19. 540 feet down at 30, down at 15.
Empty. Okay, I hold.
I think we better be quiet.
Roger. Okay, the only call-outs from now on will be fuel.
150 feet down at 4. 30, lift half down. They're tight on horizontal velocity. 300 feet down, 3.5. 47 forward. Hold up. On 1 minute.
Your AGC. Go. Program 66, did you copy? Yes, we did. Got it? No readouts, Major. Good for you, but we can't talk to far. Right. I understand. Got it. We're not listening.
Got big shadow out there. 50 down at 2.5. 19 forward.
Okay, Bob, I'll be standing by for your call-out shortly.
3.5 down. 220 feet. 13 forward. 11 forward, coming down nicely, 200 feet. 4.5 down. 5.5 down.
Filters go, fine. Copy. Roger that.
Within 60, 6.5 down. 5.5 down. 9 forward.
Low level. Low level.
120 feet. 100 feet, 3.5 down, 9 forward. 5%. How many bites?
Filters go, fine. Copy.
Okay, 75 feet. That's looking good, down a half.
60. Roger.
6 forward.
60. 60 seconds.
60 seconds.
Filters go, fine.
Lights on. 6. Down 2.5. Forward. Forward.
Hard copy, Chuck. Good.
That's 40 feet down, 2.5. Picking up some dust. 30 feet, 2.5 down. Straight shadow.
Stand
4
by.
forward. 4 forward, drift into the right a little.
30. 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Forward, just. Good.
Okay.
Okay. Contact light. Okay, engine stop. APA at a descent.
Touchdown.
Phone control both auto, destination command override off.
How's that?
Engine arm off.
Fantastic.
413 is in.
Do it every day. Go.
We copy you down, Eagle. Houston,
T1. Stand by for T1.
Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
You're looking good here.
Okay, we're going to be busy for a minute.
Approximately 6 hours after Eagle landed safely on the moon, the flight controllers prepared to receive the first television transmission from Tranquility Base. Along with millions around the world, we watched in suspense as a man from Earth prepared to take the first step on another celestial body.